Being Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2025 of Civil Services Main Exam. Question number 5b is describe the phenomena of blow by losses. What are the factors that increase the blow by losses? What are the effects of increased blow by losses on the engine performance? So here engine blow by is a leakage of air fuel mixture or combustion gases past the piston rings into the engine's crankcase, resulting in a loss of power and efficiency, increased fuel consumption, oil contamination, and higher emissions. This phenomenon is caused by worn or damaged piston rings and cylinder valves which fail to create a proper seal, and it can be identified by excessive pressure in the crankcase, visible white smoke from the oil spill tube, and rough engine operation. So what is blow by? Blow by is essential escape of gases that are meant to stay in the combustion chamber. It occurs when the piston rings, which are designed to create a seal between the piston and cylinder valves, are worn or not functioning correctly. These gases then leak into crankcase, the part of the engine housing of the crankshaft. So here causes of blow by. First is worn piston rings. The most common cause as rings lose their ability to maintain a tight seal against cylinder valves over time. Cylinder valve wear. Second, damage or excessive wear to cylinder liners can also create gaps for gases to escape. Third is poor engine performance. Infrequent or improper oil changes can lead to lubrication issue that accelerate ring and cylinder wear. Next is engine dusting. Ingesting abrasive dirt or dust from a compromised air filter can rapidly wear down internal engine components. So next is consequences of blow run or results of blow by. First is loss of power and efficiency. The gases that leak past the piston are not used to drive the crankshaft, leading to reduced power output and fuel economy. Next is oil contamination. The combustion products, fuel and water vapor from the blow by can contaminate the engine oil, degrading its quality and increasing wear. Next is increased engine wear. The contaminated oil and increased internal pressure can accelerate the degradation of engine components. Next is crankcase pressure. Excess pressure can build up in crankcase, potentially affecting engine seal and ventilation system. Next is increased pollution. The leaked gases can also contain high levels of particulate matter, increasing overall engine emission.